Hey everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to repost someone else's Instagram story to your own. The easiest way to repost a story is if the person tags you in it. When someone tags you, you'll get a notification in your DM saying you've been mentioned in their story. From there, you'll see an option to add to your story. Simply tap on it, and you can repost it to your own story with any edits, stickers, or text you want. If you weren't tagged, you can always ask the person to tag you, so you can easily repost it. If you weren't tagged, there's another option. Sometimes users also share their stories as posts on their Instagram feed. If that's the case, you can tap on the share icon and add it to your story from there. However, this only works for posts, not actual stories. Screen recording of taking a screenshot of an Instagram story. If the first two methods don't work, another option is to simply take a screenshot or screen record the story. Once you have the screenshot or recording, you can upload it to your own story by tapping Your Story and selecting the image or video. Keep in mind that if the original story has links or interactive elements, they won't be clickable in your reposted version. And that's it. Those are the different ways you can repost someone else's Instagram story to your own. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.